Due to the fact that trucks in Pakistan use tap water, it often results in blockages in the water tank radiators. The radiator of this truck in front of us has been using tap water for 8 years, which has led to a serious condition of poor heat dissipation. In our country, normally, in such a situation, we would replace the radiator with a new one. However, in Pakistan, with just 2,000 rupees, they can fix it and make it as good as new. How do they manage to turn waste into something useful again? The answer lies in a small radiator cleaning workshop in Karachi, Pakistan. For radiators that have not been cleaned for a long time, the first step is to remove the water chamber cover. The master uses a cutting machine to remove the fixed solder. This process must be done carefully to avoid damaging the heat dissipation fins. After removing the water chamber cover, you can see that the inside is already completely filled with scale. It is no wonder that the owner complains that after driving just a few kilometers, the water temperature goes off the charts. Moreover, in this 40-degree weather, it is impossible for the water temperature not to rise. Since there are still some sharp residues from the welding, the master switches to sandpaper and smooths the entire edge to prepare for subsequent assembly. After polishing, the washing can begin. Judging by the color of the dirty water coming out of the inside, the owner would not have put yellow mud in there, right? After a simple washing, it is necessary to introduce oxalic acid through the outlet pipes to clean the internals of the heat dissipation tubes. Through a chemical reaction, the acid breaks down the most difficult to remove scale. But a simple washing clearly cannot completely clean the inside of the tubes, so the master uses handmade steel rods to unclog each heat dissipation tube. Since there are many tubes, this process takes some time. Once all the obstructions have been cleared, the foreman uses a high-pressure washer to inject water through the lower inlet of the chamber, flushing out all the accumulated debris. To ensure that there is no scale left, he also uses a brush to clean the top of the radiator, completely removing all debris and ensuring that the radiator is clean inside and out. With the internal pipes clean, the next step is to wash away any dirt on the surface. Since the foreman has already soaked the radiator in oxalic acid, washing is easy and, in no time, the radiator is clean inside and out. Then, it is assembled. The foreman replaces the water chamber cover and uses a tin bar heated with solder to secure it. This process is so simple for the foreman that he repairs several radiators a day, as if it were a piece of cake. He quickly solders all the parts together. After that, he performs a test, injecting water through the pipes to check for leaks in the soldered areas. With the test passed, the radiator is repaired. What did you think of the Pakistani master's skill? If you could give them a score from 0 to 10, what would it be?